Hello everyone, this is Morshad from Computer CP Plus. Today I'm here to show you guys a case study regarding battery connector broken uh, inside the laptop, which is like in the motherboard side. So the customer said during the memory replacement accidentally touched into the battery connector and then it's broke. So I'm going to show you what was the solution. So before the solution, as you can see, here's the broken parts. Okay, and this is the connector from the motherboard side, right? So here's the battery. So what's happened here, this is a Asus gaming how far I remember, this is a GO603HM gaming laptop, which is almost $2,000 laptop. And we was looking for uh, a replacement connector for this motherboard. It's quite impossible to get a replacement one. I pretty much look for everywhere in web and also check with the manufacturer, and everybody says they don't have anything like that. So this connector I found almost close to this one from a different Asus model, but it didn't fit properly. So that's why um, only the option was replace the entire motherboard, and we look for the price, which is $900. The motherboard itself comes with RTX GPU as well. So the two option we gave two option to the customer, either replacing the motherboard, which is too expensive, or second option, we can solder the battery wire directly to the motherboard, which is permanent, and then plug into the battery like this, right? So that was cheapest option. We just charge the labor cost to soldering the connection and also make an extension, because the battery connection was very short before. Since we are making it non-removable from the motherboard side, so we should make it longer, a little bit extended to reach to the battery to connect it. So customer approved, we go ahead and did that, and we tested the connection is solid, and the broken pin was here, it was very it's stripped up, like completely is damaged the connection in the circuit board. So let me show you the picture how it was before. Alright, so as you can see, this is the battery connector socket in the motherboard side, and here is the broken one, two, three. This 3 pin was completely destroyed, one from this here, another one from here, and third one from here. So this was the condition before we soldered. So I'm going to show you the current condition. Okay, alright, so here's the current condition. Right now we soldered it, and we used the glued it like melted glue, so it's not gonna be moved anywhere. And also you use the tape on it, so it's not gonna spray it anywhere. It's very sticky in this place. And here is the battery disconnector. So the good thing is the customer can replace the battery even if need to replace it, so this is a good thing. So we just have to plug it in. We're going to plug and make a test. So I'm going to plug right now. So it's a little bit difficult for me because I hold the camera in the other hand. Alright, so I plugged in, And then I'm going to plug the charger, and we have a battery indicator light here. When I plugged it, and take a look, is charging or not, and we will turn on the laptop. I plugged it. There you go. Says the battery is charging, right? So since the battery is charging, we're going to turn on and see if the battery charging icon is shows or no. There you go. Device is already start booting because it has a lid sensor. As soon as we open the lid, and the device should start right away. Awesome. So as we can see here, we have a battery icon, and it shows the battery is charging. I'm going to unplug the charger and see it's disconnected the battery on charger. There you go, it's disconnected. Awesome. And I'm going to plug the charger again. See it's work or no. I plugged it. Awesome. Alright guys, so you guys already know we are here for any kind of electronic repair, laptop, PC build, upgrades, micro soldering, troubleshooting, diagnosing, doesn't matter what. If it is worth money to repair, we can definitely help you to rescue from there. If you have any question, please give us a call at 941-567-6431. We are a local repair shop in Bradenton City, Lakewood, Blvd. The physical location is 1829 Lakewood, Blvd, Bradenton 34211. And again, our contact number is 941-567-6431. Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye bye.